How to buy Ethereum on Unocoin. Are you guys facing issues to buy Ethereum on Unocoin app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. To buy Ethereum on Unocoin, open the app on your laptop or mobile devices. From the screen, tap on Buy button at the bottom. Select Ethereum from the list of cryptocurrencies. Enter the amount of Ethereum you want to buy or the amount in INR you wish to spend. Make sure your INR wallet has enough balance. If not, deposit funds first. Review the current market price and fees displayed, then tap Buy Now. Confirm your purchase and your Ethereum will be added instantly to your Uno account wallet. You can check your Ethereum balance anytime by going to the wallet section. And that's it guys, that's how you're gonna buy Ethereum on Unocoin. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.